Hello everyone, welcome back to the Marketing Tools Automation channel. Today I will introduce you to an automated bot tool for seeding, auto view, and auto like for YouTube live streams. First you go to MKTTUBE. My software has a lot of features. It can manage unlimited accounts for you to use. You can see my software can have you auto seeding video, seeding short, seeding live stream, and auto post video. To seeding live stream, first go to Seeding function and select Seeding video. I will choose any live stream link on YouTube and paste it into the software like this. Then you will adjust the parameters of the software, such as likes, subscriptions, live stream viewing time. You can comment as you like or use AI to comment. Finally, you choose the accounts you want to see the live stream or select them all. Let's see the results. To use this software, you need to buy a 1-year or permanent license. You can contact me through the information I have provided below. Thanks for watching. Give me one subscribe if you like this video and a comment if you have any question. I will ASAP.